everybody, you're watching Ready Set Drone. I just want to do a quick video with a few channel updates and let you know what's been going on. Number one, as you may have seen from some of my videos, I've traveled a bit this summer. Took mostly my Mavic Pro with me and flying it all around. Had the chance to fly it in the Ozarks, had a chance to fly it in upstate New York, and of course here in Texas. It's a great little travel companion, and I've been having a good time getting some really awesome footage, and I hope you've been able to see some of those videos. I've actually got a couple more in the works right now that I'm going to publish, including one where I actually got to fly close but not too close to freighter as it was going down the St. Lawrence Seaway. So that was pretty cool. Number two, I wanted to say I finally got my package out to my May subscriber of the month, who was Christopher from Sweden. Christopher, again, he's been commenting, making some great points on the channel in the comments, watching some of the live things with Ken Heron, etc. And I really like the way Christopher was participating, and so he received a prize package. I sent it out yesterday. I know it's July already, but you know, the subscriber of the month is always a month behind because I do it for the previous month. So he was the May subscriber of the month and should be receiving his prize package in the next week to week and a half over in Sweden. Christopher, I hope you'll post some things on Instagram or on YouTube when you get the prize package and let me know what you think. And that said, I want to announce the June subscriber of the month. Now, like I said, I know it's July, but you know, I go back a month. I have been seeing these guys participating more and more on the chat and in the comment section. It is We RV the Johnstons. Now, We RV the Johnstons actually submitted a video for me on the user-generated video that I did a while back. And I really appreciated that. I also had a chance to check out their channel, and it's pretty quirky. They have some cool stuff going on. They've got music, they've got trivia, they've got travel, thoughts on travel. Basically, they're RVing around and documenting it on YouTube, and it's a family affair. It looks really cool, and I just like the vibe they give off. So congratulations to We RV the Johnstons. Now, the question is, now that you can't direct message in YouTube anymore, how do we get in touch? I'm not quite sure because you can't send me a direct message via YouTube. And what I don't want to have happen, and I've had this happen before, is somebody fakes and says, oh, you know, that's me, send me the prize. So We RV the Johnstons, what I was thinking is if you could just comment in this video in the comments section and leave an email address for me, I'll get in touch with you, and that way I'll know it's you when you leave that comment, because I'll see that it's you who actually left the comment. So We RV the Johnstons, congratulations, thanks for participating on the Ready Set Drone community, and I really appreciate it. So that said, I also have a big milestone coming up, and as a matter of fact, by the time you're watching this, it may have already passed 100,000 subscribers. Now, I don't want to get all choked up, but honestly, it really makes me feel fantastic to know that 100,000 people out there clicked that subscribe button and are watching Ready Set Drone on a regular basis. I couldn't do this without you. I wouldn't do this without you. So I appreciate everybody out there who not only subscribe, but just watches the videos, comments, participates. I've even got some people who regularly leave negative comments, and I like those people too, because you know, at least I know they're paying attention. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping us get to 100,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. Now, tomorrow night, which is Thursday, the 19th of July, and so if you're watching this after the 19th of July, you can go watch the replay. I'm going to be the guest on Ken Heron's Thursday Night Live. I've been the guest a few times, but super excited because Ken's about to surpass the 60,000 subscriber mark. I'm about to surpass 100,000. And we're just gonna have a good time talking about all kinds of things. So if you get a chance, please tune in tomorrow night to Thursday Night Live, Ken Heron's show. You can just search Ken Heron. If you aren't already a subscriber, you can search Ken Heron on YouTube and you'll find him. And he'll be live at 7 p.m. Central US time, Thursday, July 19th. All right, that's it. Like I said, congrats to We RV the Johnstons. Please leave me an email address so I can contact you and verify that it is actually you, and we'll get in touch and I'll send you guys some cool stuff. Hope you're enjoying the summer. Again, thanks to everyone for 100,000 subs. It means a lot, and we'll see you next time on Ready Set Drone.